Hey, MoneyMax AI family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. If you're like me, always on the lookout for ingenious ways to make money from the comfort of your home, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's jump right in. Starting with the innovative topic, AI-powered freelancing on Upwork and Fiverr. You may be wondering, how can AI boost my freelancing career? This is how. An intelligent aid simplifying your tasks, suggesting improvements, and helping you in delivering exceptional work. Upwork and Fiverr are already ringing with AI enthusiasts making a living from the comfort of their own homes. Next up, we've got something super exciting: AI-powered content creation. Yes, you heard it right. There are AI tools out there that can help you write blog posts, create engaging videos, and even design eye-catching graphics. It's like having a creative partner right on your computer. If you're a content creator or aspiring to be one, these tools can be a game changer. Now let's talk about boosting your online business with AI. From personalized product recommendations to automated customer service, AI can take your e-commerce game to the next level. It's like having a 24/7 virtual assistant helping you run your store efficiently, leaving you with more time to focus on growing your business. For those interested in the world of finance, here's a golden nugget: AI-driven stock trading. Imagine having an intelligent algorithm analyzing market trends, making data-driven decisions, all while you sip your morning coffee. It's a game changer for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of investing without the steep learning curve. Last but certainly not least, we have AI-powered tutoring services. If you excel in a particular subject, you can leverage AI to create personalized tutoring sessions for students around the world. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge, make a positive impact, and earn some extra income. All from the comfort of your home. And there you have it, MoneyMax AI family, 5 genius ways to make money from home using AI. The possibilities are endless, and with the right tools, you can turn your passion for AI into a source of income. Ready to supercharge your AI endeavors? Click the link in the description to explore the latest AI tools. Don't miss out, your future in AI awaits. Thanks for tuning in, MoneyMax AI family. Stay brilliant, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.